Hey guys, what's going on? Figured I'd bring a little cleaning video of how I clean my guns. I know there's probably hundreds of videos out there on taking Glocks apart and cleaning them, but every time I get back from the range I usually just do a quick cleaning like this, and I figure I'd bring it to you. So first thing you want to do before ever working on the gun is, of course, make sure it's safe. This is my PVC, so it does have Hornady critical defense in it. So we'll go ahead and make sure that's safe and nothing in the chamber. Point the gun in a safe direction, pull the trigger, then take it down like you would any other Glock. We'll go ahead and take our spring and barrel out of there. Let me just grab something quick here, put this on. Alright, so we can put our slide here, barrel there, that. Maybe I'll do a video on a detailed strip down of the whole gun. I've only got maybe 1,000, 1,500 rounds through it, so I'm really not bothered about taking it down. Maybe once I get up to 3,000 or 4,000, I'll take it all apart. But what we're going to use today to clean this is the Ballistol multi-purpose. I was turned on to this by Pete from the Armory channel. If you all don't know who Pete is and you're watching my videos, it's pretty sad. But go over to Pete the Armory channel. He's got a great channel, very funny guy. So what I like to do is just take it and spray a little bit down in there, all over that. We'll let it sit just like that. Then in the frame, I'll just take and spray a little bit in there, down in the barrel, spray over it a little bit, and we'll just let that sit for 5-7 minutes is usually what I do, but you can do however long you want. It just breaks down most of the dirt and gunk off of it. So we'll come back in 5 minutes and see how she is. Alright guys, it's been about 5 minutes, so we'll go ahead and get started cleaning. Now that it's set on here, what I like to do is just take an old toothbrush and go in here and brush the sides down, brushing the little cracks and stuff, get all the gunpowder residue and gunk out of there. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. And then also, if you had these on hand, I've happened to have a few up here. These Q-tips work extremely well for getting in the cracks. As you can see, they're just going right in there. It's places that your rag and stuff won't reach. So let me just grab a rag over here. Wipe this inside out. You can use patches for this. I just use a rag. It doesn't bother me that much. I just get most of the gunk out, and then I'll go over it with one of the little Q-tips. So like I was saying, the Q-tips are good for down in spaces like here that you can't dry, or over in here. You can just take it like that, get all that gunk and stuff out. So just dry it all out, leave a little bit in there. So that's pretty much all I do for the frame, for the slide. And then for the barrel, of course the Glock comes with this. You just give it a few run throughs. And then I will use a patch for the barrel right up here. I just run a patch or two through the barrel just to make sure it's nice and dry. Get all the nasty stuff out of it. That's nice and clean. And then we just use this patch and get the remaining ballast off of this. Clean the feed ramp a little bit. That's all it is to that. I really don't mess with the spring a lot. I might just take a patch and go over it like that, but that's about it. Then the frame, again, use a little bit of toothbrush and just go in here and get all the gunpowder residue and stuff out of here. Scrub along down in here, over in here. And you don't have to be gentle. It's a Glock, it can take it. And after that I'll just take a patch or a rag down in here. Take it up through here and grab it around. And then again, Q-tips work great for this. Down these spots that you can't reach. Get all that stuff out of there. I mean, as you can see from that, pretty disgusting. So, that's about it. Just Q-tip it up and get most of the grime and dirt out of there, and we can go ahead and reassemble again. So go ahead and put your barrel back in, throw your spring back in, and then just take your ballastol and any bit that's left out of the straw. I like to put on these little metal tabs that run right here. So you can just slide this on. Good to go. You can just take your patch, clean all the ballast off the sides, and then she's good to go again. Ready to be holstered back up and put on, because I think I might just go to Walmart or the gun shop and pick up some ammo or a gun. So guys, until next time, have a nice day.